Okay, so finally going to be selling the over Finch Range Rover, or the Vogue. I'd purchased it about a year ago, or just over a year ago, and had a smash on the front here, so the wing and the front bumper was completely mullered, but I've repaired as best I can. It's not the best job, it's obviously cracked again where I hit, because it's so low down, it hits curbs and stuff. So I have got a replacement Vogue bumper, or you could have this fixed up again. It's got 22-inch wheels, which look really nice. Will need some tyres because there's some cracking on the other tyres. So you can see the damage here, a bit roughly, but I mean, I was literally only built it up to use it as a tow car, which it has. Now I've got rid of my trailer, it's no longer required, which is a shame, because I actually do love driving this. It sounds amazing. So there's crack tyre. These are 22, so they do cost a bit. I have got a trade that I can get them from, so you just need them fitted if you wanted to buy them off me. I've had welding done all down here. Needs treating a bit more, but it's all been done anyway, and it passed the last MOT. It's had new pads, new calipers on the rear. No new pads, obviously. It's missing the plastic on the corner there. It's got a tow bar which works. It's LPG as well, so it's cheaper to run. It's got the cat, it all works. I'll show it running. So you've got a big boot on these. Still got the parcel shelf, which is quite rare for this age. So yeah, that's all there. Obviously in the tank, or in the footwell, you've got the tank for the LPG. It obviously does need a bit of work tidying up, but I just don't have the time anymore. So this tyre's okay, should pass the MOT with that. It's had the welding done here as well. You see the patch there, but it just needs treating really, and a bit of rust proof on there. Bars are all done. Got mats throughout. This still works, which is rare. Never want to try and buy that off you. All the windows work as they should. There's your mats. And this tyre here, even though it's quite new, it's still got cracking. It's probably down to the weight of this thing, because it does weigh a bit. On the MOT advisories, it came up with the ball joints, which I've bought, drop links I've bought. They're all in a box and they come with it. Get this bonnet open. So in here we've had a new water pump, we've had new belts, that to drain the whole system out, and a new pulley I believe down there. So yeah, this sounds good. It really does run well. Slight slipping on the belt, and that is due to this bolt down here. It literally broke off because it was tightened up the wrong way, but you can tighten it and probably put some more metal filler on there to get that to hold. But see that engine, it's obviously got the K&N filter on there. So I've got Bentley keys, 2 of, and the original ones as well. And the V8 sounds lovely. So as you can tell, that belt's slipping a tiny bit, but it doesn't affect it. There's no warning lights apart from the light for the fog lamp, which broke off, which is in there. It's got locking wheel nuts in there as well, but the engine sounds amazing. It's only done 129,000, say. It's got the LPG tank on there. Still got the original stereo, which all works, I believe. So got television. I'm not sure if it's got sat nav. I'm sure it did have, but I don't know how to bring it up. But you got phone connectivity. So there, the engine's running nice now. And that sounds amazing, especially when you're driving it. It sounds just like a menace. And if you're driving along in front of the vehicle and looking out your rear view mirror, it does look really nice. Even with those cracks in the bumper, you know, it still looks good. So yeah, Martha offers around 2,500 for it, which is a hell of a lot less than what I paid. But obviously it will need some work doing to it. But all your lights, as far as indicators, they all work. Lights work all well. Fog lamps all work, apart from the one that's missing. Gearbox is good. Probably needs a service and oil change, but that's nothing. Still got sunroof, that all works, which is good. The roof lining's not bad at all. Not really dipping much. It's not got any pins in it, so that's always good. So that all works. Radio obviously works. CD player doesn't work, but I do have a replacement one. Just needs fitting, but you have to take all this part to do. I've also got the new LCD thing that needs to be done if you wanted to have it done, so that'll come with it. There's full service history. So yeah, it's been well looked after. I've changed it from black to walnut, so all this is walnut. So yeah, I just wanted to make it my own. Leather's in really good condition, obviously being the Vogue. Real nice seats. The only thing with this one, the driver's side heat seats don't stay on, they go off. That'll click off in a second, I expect. Yeah, there you go. So that might need some work, but the heating controls all work, as you can hear. It's got storage there for your sunglasses. So yeah, for a little bit of work, you've got a real nice car. Got the thick wool carpets as well. So yeah, if you want a run around car or just to cruise around looking nice, then just get that front bumper done. I do have another Vogue bumper which I will include in the sale as well. But thanks for watching, and come back, and if you want any more questions, just give us a call.